Hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It. Today we are going to be playing with some magical pearl powders by Imethods. They come in this cute little plastic case where you can keep them all together. You got your eyeshadow applicators to put them on with. So there's 9 colors, there's even a silver, of course. So we're going to be putting these on. It's getting dark on this side, isn't it? Anyways, we're going to be putting these on with some fake nails on some nail stands just to give you a little look-see at what these look like. Give myself a look-see because I've only played with one, maybe 2. So let me get these out first. And we will start with, I don't know if you can see, can you see the pearl shimmer in them? They're really beautiful. Really beautiful. We're going to start with the traditional silver. Whoops. We're going to start with him. Or her. Rub on. You could. Ooh, I'm just going to take these off so they're not sliding. This is on a magnetic stand. But you know, they do move around. These are really pretty. See how that goes? I went from black to the mirror chrome like, or the mirror silver. Really pretty. Next we will move on to, and these don't have like a certain number or anything. These were off of Amazon. They come as a set. This is one of the purples. One of the purples. Whoops. Here I go with the whoopses already. Good. Dab some on and start rubbing. This is really beautiful. Hopefully I'm in frame where you're seeing this. Really pretty. Super easy. Paint your nails black. This is on gel, but you can do on regular polish as well. You just need to have something like a sticky base coat like this. Let this get so where it's tacky, and you're good to go. There we go with the purple. I think that is really beautiful. Really beautiful. A great, inexpensive way to change up your manicure. This now, let me see. This could be the yellow. What do you think? This could be the yellow. That. Oh yeah. This is so rich and beautiful looking. I do really like these. You can't go wrong. I don't know how well they'll look over, say with the, you know, some of these are purples or pastels. I wonder what they'd look like over themselves. That color of polish. We'll have to check that out in another video. So just to give you a preview of that one again. It is really nice. Really nice. Okay, we've done those three. Next up is... oh, this is a different purple. Can we see that? I don't know if that's translating well on film. I don't know. I hope you can see it. I'll wipe off the applicator brush. I know there's more than one here, so I'll just get a new one so no cross-contamination goes on. Oh yeah. It's another deep, beautiful purple. Are you feeling me, ladies? Purple's my favorite color. I don't know about you. Purple is mine. This is like a purple chrome. I think this is just beautiful, these products. There we are. Hope you can see that well. Next up is... let's see, what color is this? That's bad, I can't even tell the color. This could be like a pink, I think. I'm not 100% certain. It's hard to tell. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this, ladies. Look at this. This is like a baby blue. There we go. That is super, super gorgeous. Okay, here are the first 5 that we did. We have the silver, another purplish blue, yellow, another purple, and this really pretty blue. It's just divine. Just divine. We get our next set of nails up here. Get them all in the right directions. Put this baby away and move on to our next culprit. This is a green. I wish it came a little bit fuller. I will say that. I mean, a little bit does go a long way, don't get me wrong. So it's going to take you a while to go through these, but I still wish there was a little bit more in them. This is a definite green. Beautiful color. I hope you can see it. That is a gorgeous green. Gorgeous, gorgeous green. We got 3 left. This should be... oh, this is another purple. I'm waiting to hear back from somebody this morning. They're not replying, which makes me think they fell back asleep. Not good. Oh, another purple. Definite purple here. How funny is that? 3 purples in a collection. I was meant to own this. Ding. Okay, there we go. It's our other purple. Beautiful color. I do just love these. You wear a different colored nail. Sorry for all the chimes. I'm waiting to hear back from Princess Diana. Let me show you this one. This one could be the yellow. Let me see. It's hard to tell with some of them what color they are. The purples are so predominant that you can just tell with those right off. I don't know with this one. So we shall see. Really beautiful color. Beautiful, beautiful color. You only need a little bit. I'm using way too much on each nail, as you can probably tell. But this is my first time using them, so I didn't know. But a little goes a definite long way. This is a blue. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Definitely great color there. And our last and final color. Oh, I can't get the lid off. There we go. This looks like it could have some red in it. Excuse me. I was a wee bit parched. Just a wee bit. But I had to get something to drink. Pardon me. Excuse moi. Yeah, this has got a red tint to it, red pinkish tint. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. Can you see that? I hope so. Sometimes it's hard for me to tell on here. This is like a pink. Beautiful colors. We put these away. I am going to top coat. These are gel. So once again, they come in this set right here, like I've showed you, with the 4 makeup sponges and the 9 different colors. I will leave the link down in the description box, where everything else is, ladies. Don't ever forget about the description box in the videos. Here are our colors. I think they are really gorgeous. You can put one of these on for to change up the color of your outfit, your bathing suit, your coat, anything. These are great, great, great products. They're just beautiful. And I'm so glad I own them. I've had them for a while. I had them back in my desk, or back in my filing cabinet in the drawer, and I'd forgotten about them, and I'm so glad I discovered them. So glad. I think they're just gorgeous, and I'll definitely be visiting this on real life and my own nails. They are quite bare. I'm still waiting for these 3 here to grow out. So I got 3 stubby nubbins right now. So once they grow out again, I may do some nail art on my hands. But until then, my cousin is here. No, she's not. I don't know why I said that. Excuse me for that little blip. But here are our reviews. My sharing with you the different colored pigments of the Magical Pearl Powder off Amazon by Imethods. Don't forget that part. It's by Imethods. Magical Pearl Powders, I believe it is. Another pearl. They're just beautiful. They're really beautiful. Check them out. Check out my other videos. This is your first time here. Welcome. I appreciate you. Appreciate anybody watching. Drop me a comment in the boxes below. I always comment back. So yeah, this is our video for today. I know it's odd for me to put one up on, the days I am this week, but I had to get the drill up, had to get the lamp up, so this may be up on a Thursday, it's hard to say, but either way, enjoy it. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.